Don't miss this stellar deal. For all the astronomy enthusiasts out there, now is the time to grab an incredible bargain on binoculars perfect for exploring the night sky. But hurry, this offer is as fleeting as a shooting star. The Celestron SkyMaster 15x70 binoculars are But here's where it gets controversial. While these binoculars are a fantastic choice for beginners and budget-conscious skywatchers, they do have some limitations. The chromatic aberration around bright objects like the moon is noticeable, and their size and weight make them less than ideal for handheld use. And this is the part most people miss. They're not suitable for birdwatching, despite their impressive magnification. Kimberly, our optics reviewer, has been testing equipment for over 4 years and knows her way around cameras, binoculars, and telescopes. Based in South Wales, she's had the perfect backdrop for her reviews, with the dark skies of Banu Brycheiniog National Park nearby. Our team has also reviewed a wide range of astronomy gear, from telescopes and star projectors to fitness trackers and running shoes, ensuring you have all the tools for an immersive stargazing experience. While these binoculars may not be fog-proof, they are waterproof, ensuring clear views even in unexpected rain. And with a 15 times magnification and 70mm objective lenses, you'll be able to spot celestial wonders with ease, as long as you mount them on a sturdy tripod. If you're looking for a more compact option or have a higher budget, we've got you covered with recommendations for handheld binoculars and image-stabilized models. But for those on a budget who want to explore the night sky, the Celestron SkyMaster 15x70 is a brilliant choice. So, are you ready to embark on a cosmic journey? Grab this deal before it's gone and unlock the secrets of the universe. Just remember, the offer ends tonight. Buy it if you're on a budget and want to explore the moon, Jupiter, and its moons, along with other deep sky objects. Don't buy it if you need handheld binoculars or plan to use them for birdwatching. Check out our comprehensive guides for more astronomy gear recommendations, and let the stars guide your way.